Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also doing good.
Ma'am, am I audible or visible properly?
Yes, it's all good. What about me?
Yes. You are perfect.
Okay. So, what's the topic for today that we have?
Today we have to talk about natural disaster.
Natural disasters.
Yeah,
Comfortable with the topic, or would you like to change?
no, yeah, it is compatible. I can talk.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So, what do you know about natural disasters?
Like what I know about natural disaster. Like there are, I think, various type of disasters such as earthquake, tsunami, landslide, and cloud bursting is also because basically I am from Uttarakhand, completely hilly background area.
Yeah.
So we face, yeah. So we face cloud bursting very quietly in our area and mostly in rainy
Yeah.
season.
So, what kind of natural disasters have you faced in Uttarakhand?
Mm. Actually, where I live in Uttarakhand, so I didn't face any kind of natural disaster, but there are some places which are very sensitive. Like I think you know about there are two regions in Uttarakhand, Kumaon and Gadwal.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I come from Kumaon. So
Okay.
Kumaon region is quite like not sensitive as compared to Gadwal region. Like in Gadwal, like Kedarnath area, Kedarnath and Badrinath, like those districts who are in
Those areas are prone.
yeah, so those areas are very sensitive. So those people who are from Gadwal region, so they face quite uh, such type of scenario.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you been to any place where a natural disaster has occurred?
Mm, no, fortunately not till now.
Okay, good to know that.
Yeah.
And what are the reasons behind natural disasters?
Um, I think there are several. There could be several reasons, but I think yeah, climate change is one of them because we all know due to climate change, such types of things occurring very rapidly. Uh, yeah, because I think apart from that, like uh, like what I see in my village area, like in summertime, mainly forest firing, like forest fire. Forest fire is also one of the disaster I think in my
Yeah,
area.
forest fire is a disaster.
Yeah, forest fire because I remember like when I was in Uttarakhand 1 year ago, before 1 year ago. So like many times many times we went to our forest to distinguish the fire, to extinguish the fire. Like very often we go there. So we face such types of things like forest fire is one of them. I think first fire because uh, several times, I went there and all the village people gather together to extinguish that fire. So this is quite common in Uttarakhand.
Forest fire.
Forest fire. Mm.
And I think floods.
Yeah, floods. Yeah, floods. Yeah, floods always. Because I think we are from hilly area, so that's why such things are common. Because if you live in a plain area, so uh, such things are not occur in hilly area. No, sorry, in
They
plain
do not
area.
occur. Yeah.
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 Mm.
And I think Gujarat and some parts of Mumbai are prone to earthquakes.
Hmm. Right. Yeah.
Nepal.
Yeah. Nepal is also, yeah. Hmm.
And Japan is prone to volcanic eruptions because it has many active volcanoes.
Mm. But I think Japanese people has been used to such types of things, so they doesn't matter whether they are facing earthquake or such things because
Because they
they
have
have.
that kind of technology.
Yeah. Right.
It's like they have prepared themselves for everything. Pre-disaster, during disaster, post-disaster. They have all things set up.
Yeah, because
Do
I
you know
think
about those steps or that kind of? procedure that they undertake in order to face natural disaster.
No, actually, I don't know about what is post. What did you say? Post?
Pre-disaster, that is before the disaster. During the disaster is like when the disaster is occurring, and post-disaster is after the disaster. Disaster has occurred. Now, what you'll do? So
Like,
those steps.
like I think after disaster, I think we should have some helpline number. So, but yeah, but it will be very hard for that time. Like, how can we call
We
someone
should
to help?
have relocation,
Yeah,
rehabilitation
rehab.
centers where we send people.
Right. But yeah, but I think when it occurs, so now we are talking because like now we are in a comfort zone. So that's why we are talking about like that time we will call to helpline number or someone else. But I think when such things when such things would occur, so it will be very hard to call or call for help or like to call someone.
It becomes difficult because you don't know where you have to approach, to whom you have to contact.
Hmm.
Everything you had is lost. You have nothing now.
Yeah,
So
right.
I think it takes a toll on your mental health also.
Yeah, mental health also, right. Mm-hmm.
So you have to prepare for that also.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah, so I think I think our education system should mm, like should spread awareness about such topics.
And what other natural disasters do you know about, which are not common in India, but maybe outside the world,
Like
outside
earthquake
the
is,
country? Sorry.
I think yeah, earthquake is quite common and cyclone, earthquake, cyclone. But I think cyclone not in India, but I think in Europe. In Europe, there are several types of cyclone. But in India, I think there are some cyclone, but I didn't remember name of those cyclones. But I think yeah, in Odisha last year, I think like we faced many casualties due to cyclone. But I didn't remember that particular cyclone name.
Yeah, it has different names many times.
Right. Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, and also there are many pest attacks, locust attack. Also, we were hearing about
Uh,
locusts attack,
right.
pest.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we were hearing those also, and hailstorms, many
Yeah.
places.
Yeah, hailstorms. Yeah, hailstorm many places, and yeah, apart from hailstorms, and do you know like when tsunami has came in 2004, I think 2004.
In
So do
Odisha.
you? Yeah, yeah. So do you know like before coming tsunami, so animals have sixth sense actually. So yeah, so before tsunami, many animals had fled away that day, and those people who had dog or some cattle, so they are continuously barking, and I have faced the same thing like in village we have cattle. So suppose I'm going to forest or I'm going to somewhere else with my cattle. So suppose rain is about to come and I'm in forest with my cattle. So cattle will run away from forest to like in
So they get to know that something is about to happen.
right. Yeah, so they have such types of senses.
In which all animals have you seen this sense?
Cow, buffalo, cow, buffalo, and dog also.
Dogs also.
Yeah,
So they indicate, like they have an indication whether something is about to happen or not.
right. Yeah. They indicate. They will indicate you something is about to happen.
Because when a disaster occurs, we humans have the ability to relocate or move somewhere. We have some resources, but those dumb animals don't have any source. So maybe they are
Right.
blessed with the sense.
Yeah, that's why I think nature blessed them such type of senses.
Yeah, it's important now because God has to take care of everybody in some or the other manner. So maybe this is
Right.
a way that it takes care of birth.
Yeah, absolutely right. Yeah, and right, like we can also like we can also use their nature for our better things. Like if we understand their nature, so basically I think we can prevent a lot of things which are about to happen in terms of disaster, I think.
But I think having a relationship or having some contact with animals is stress relieving. It releases your stress. It
Yeah,
makes you
yeah,
happy.
yeah. Always I think it makes me feel
Are you
happy.
close to animals?
uh Not in Delhi, because currently in Delhi, but yeah, but when I was in village, so yeah, I was.
What all animals you were close with, and how did you communicate with them?
uh like I had a cat. Yeah, so whenever I wake up, so she goes around here and there with me. And yeah, and I used to talk with her, so she was very good, but I don't know where she has gone, because she didn't come for 1 week. So I was thinking she will come, but she didn't come.
Okay. So she
Yeah,
went away someday.
yeah, she went away. I don't know what happened with her, but she was my favorite actually, and I have some pictures with her, and she was very good.
Apart from your cat, was there any other animal that you loved to talk with or spend some time?
Uh, Apart from cat, yeah, like yeah, sometimes I go to my cow shed. We have cows there, so I
Cattle.
like, yeah, cattle. Yeah, so whenever I go there, so yeah, like I spend some time with them. So I feel very good whenever I go there. Like I spent almost half an hour with them, and I talk with them, like like
They
such types of
understand.
things.
They
Yeah,
understand. Every
yeah,
animal has a different language.
yeah, and such types of things makes me feel good.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm not into animals that much, but yeah,
Hmm.
I feel some sort of sense with them that yes, even they might be feeling. They also
Hmm.
have some pain, something.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Okay. And what about others? Are you interested in birds or anytime fishes?
Birds, uh, I think I'm very close to birds actually. Not in Delhi, but yeah, but in Uttarakhand.
Which is your
Like,
favorite bird?
yeah, my favorite bird is sparrow sparrow actually. When I was kid, so that time I used to watch a lot of sparrow in our areas where I live. But nowadays their numbers has decreased, and I think the main reason is due to mobile towers.
Yeah,
Due to
true.
mobile towers, yeah, due to mobile towers, their number has reduced in a large number. Yeah,
Because it causes a lot of problem to them. And now we are moving to 5G and 6G towers, which is again affecting the birds a lot.
yeah, but we human are not, like we doesn't matter. We all the time we think about ourselves.
Don't mind.
We don't, yeah, we don't have to time to think others.
Okay, Bhuwan. So we are towards the end of the session, and I would like to give you some feedback.
Yes, ma'am, please.
I am a bit disappointed as compared to the previous session. In the previous session, you were a little bit more communicative and more open with your ideas. But maybe today, if the topic was not good or something or the other was there, that you didn't
Mm.
come out or you didn't leave your comfort zone. Your
Mm.
sentences were not complete. You used a lot of
Yeah,
filler words.
yeah, I was facing the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And there were many mistakes related to tenses also.
Mm-hmm.
When I woke up, because your cat was with you in the past. She's not with you now.
Right.
So it's of tens.
Mhm.
So please have a good knowledge of the statements, the tenses. Keep practicing, keep talking to yourself, or even if you have somebody in your environment to talk with, please talk. It's
Yes,
important
ma'am.
to have a habit of talking and try to complete your statements and don't leave your statements in half.
Okay.
Don't just
Mhm.
give your idea in half. Complete your statement, whatever you're trying to say, because that's going to enhance your language.
Okay. Mhm.
And that's what I feel.